Hello my Kandor crafters, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making customized pot holders that I got from the Dollar Tree. They make the perfect gift for somebody that is on a budget. Literally, I spent $3 a piece on these, and it's such an easy project to do. I purchased this SVG file off of Etsy for literally $1. All I did was erase the grandma and the little candies and added the person's name to the closest font that I could find to the bottom font. Dom Casual is the one that resembles it closely enough for me. Then I resized the name to my liking and then attached it all together and changed the whole image to 4.5 because if you didn't know, Cricut Joy only goes up to about 4.5 for your images because that's just the furthest it goes, like the vinyl goes. So, and honestly, it's the perfect size for the pot holders. That's why I chose to use my Cricut Joy instead of my Cricut Maker, because I didn't want to have to roll out vinyl on a mat. I literally just load the smart vinyl into my Cricut and go. Like, it's so easy, don't need a mat. This is the most important part of the whole video. Please, please, please don't forget to mirror your image because you will be highly upset when your image comes out backwards. Also, for glitter vinyl, I always use more pressure. More pressure. Remember that. More pressure and mirror your image. I forgot to mirror my image and I wasted 2 boxes of smart vinyl and I was hurt. So remember, I make the mistakes so you don't have to. I just wanted to show you guys real quick in case anyone doesn't know, but Cricut does have a heat guide that tells you like how long to heat different fabrics, items, whether it's a cool peel, warm peel, and all the materials you may need for your project. So for the pot holders, they are 100% polyester. So I'm going to set my easy press to medium, preheat the fabric for 5 seconds, constant movement of light pressure for 25 seconds, and it says to flip and press for 15. So I do press it for longer than 25 seconds since I can't flip it over. And then I just wait for a cool peel and then peel it off. If you do not have an Easy Press Mini, it is okay because they have one similar at Walmart for literally like $12-13. And I'm in a couple of craft groups on Facebook, and when I say they praise that little thing, they say it does exactly what the Easy Press Mini does for a fraction of the price. And voila, this project is so quick, so easy to make. Literally the longest part of this project was probably the weeding, but I love how my pot holders came out. They're going to be the perfect gift, especially for people on a budget like myself. If you like this video, please like it, comment down below, and subscribe. And also press the little bell so you guys know when I post. Thank you for watching.